Hold the top and bottom arrows down simultaneously for about 3 seconds. Once the backend settings appear, the P01 setting controls your screen brightness. You can choose how bright you want your screen. The default level is 2. P02 allows you to change from miles to kilometers. P03 is your voltage setting. Do not adjust your voltage to 48 volt e-bike. P04 is your sleep mode. Essentially, this determines how long before your bike will automatically turn off. The default setting is 5 minutes. P05 has to deal with your pedal assist modes. P06 is your tire size. The City Robin comes with 27.5-inch tires, and it will be set to 28 inches. P07 is your speed governor. You will receive the bike as a Class 2 at 32 kilometers per hour or 20 miles per hour, and you can increase your speed setting up to 45 kilometers per hour or 28 miles per hour. Hold both the top and bottom arrows down to exit the back end settings.